welcome back. As you guys can see, I am on a roll with filming today, so I actually wanted to show you guys how to install a lace frontal wig with no glue, no gel or sprays or anything like that. So I did show you quickly the placement of how I pretty much lay and where I put the elastic band on the inside of the wig. I don't know whether or not you guys feel comfortable doing that. I know that some people will put the elastic band on the actual cap, but to me it only holds the unit tight in the back. And the caps that I use have adjustable straps, or they actually have the clip bands that are similar to a bra strap, so it's really tight around the nape anyway. So this is going to be more so for the purposes of the frontal to lay flat. So if you missed my video, I want to kind of show you this real quick. My hair's not wet or anything, but I did show a quick little or I did maybe a 6 or 7 minute video on how to, I'm saying that, I haven't even edited the video yet, what the heck. Anyway, I did do a video on how to lay this ball cap, so if you guys did not see that, definitely make sure to check it out, because this will really help you with the process of just kind of getting that flawless install. So as you can see, it blends in perfectly. I have not added any foundation or anything literally to this cap. This is just as is. So here is the wig that we just put the elastic band on, and I've been testing out this new elastic band. This one feels more like a fabric that might go on clothing and things like that. I actually found it in my local beauty supply store. I have not been able to find it online yet, so I'll leave a link to the one that I typically use, which is a little bit more sturdier in my opinion, so no worries in regards to that. This is more so about the placement and being able to really get that flawless look. Alright, so here is the wig. This is what it looks like, and of course I already have the elastic band here, yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much apply it. If you guys are not familiar with how to put on a lace front wig, I will leave a link to one of my videos down in the description box below to show you how to properly do it. Literally all that you do is exactly what I'm about to show you. And flip it back. And there we go. Alright, and so we have the cap on, as you can see. Now obviously you can make the elastic band as loose or as tight as you want. Me, I made it moderately tight, not too tight, but of course the tops of the wig are just laying extremely flat here, and then you should still have the flap to be able to kind of move up and down as you please. Now the flaps are able to kind of move back and forward, and you can actually see the elastic band here, but it's pulling fairly tight. So like I said, if you need it to be a little bit tighter, you can definitely go ahead and just kind of trim your elastic and make it tighter if you really want it to pull and kind of be snug. But y'all, it's not going anywhere at all. So I literally don't have to do anything to this. If I was one of those people, I guess, that really want to show off my frontal, I obviously could put some spray here and just tack this down, or take the Gotta Be Glue gel just to kind of lay that down. But in this case, I'm not going to be doing that. I literally don't want to do anything to this wig at all. So I'm going to take some of my Cream of Nature mousse just to kind of style the edges a little bit. Like I said, my goal is not to do too much to this, just to really be able to kind of put it on and be done with it. And so I already kind of created some baby hairs on this. If you guys missed my vlog, I did do a vlog while I was in Las Vegas, and this is the unit that I used or was wearing the entire trip. So but I didn't do it this way. I actually did glue it down for the trip, just to be you know, hassle free. Don't have to worry too much about it. But now obviously if this is not something that you want to do, you don't have to do this part. I'm just doing it just because. Let's see. much going to stop here. It's not really much that I wanted to do to the unit. I kind of just wanted to come in and show you exactly how to apply the glueless lace wigs, of course, and where to put that elastic band. You really don't have to do much to it at all. Obviously, if I wanted to style this unit a little bit more, definitely could, but yeah, and the unit isn't going anywhere. Like, this is just literally with me using the elastic band, and I'm calling it a day. So the hair that I'm wearing is from Version Hair Fix. I will make sure to leave those details down in the description box if you guys are interested in that. But other than that, I love you so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you guys in my next video. Definitely make sure to leave any comments or questions down below. I will definitely be sure to get those answered for you. Bye, babes.